Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download, install and configure Maltego latest version on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. Let's connect to Ubuntu machine. Open Firefox. Maltego is a graphical information gathering. Go to Maltego website, that is maltego.com. Now click on product, then click on download Maltego. Scroll down, see the requirements. You will need 64-bit of 8 of Java 8, 11 or 17. Minimum RAM is 4 GB. The processing power, okay. 4 GB disk space, okay. These are the requirements. See here, we have download for Windows, Linux, Mac. We have to select Linux. Then for Ubuntu, Deb or Kali Linux, we have to select this .deb package. And this RPM is for Red Hat based distributions. So select it and click on download Maltego. See, download has been started. Its size is 158 megabytes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Then go to downloads, cd downloads. Hit enter, ls. See, we have the Maltego 4.6 is the version and this is the deb package. Install it by running sudo dpkg I, then package name. Package name is Maltego, then give it and hit enter. Then provide the password of this. Installation is success. Verify. Click on applications or click on activities. Then search for both of them. Click on applications. Search for Maltego. See, here we have the Maltego. Click on this Maltego. See, now we have different Maltego versions. Maltego 1, Maltego XL, Maltego Classic, Maltego C, that is Community Edition, and Maltego case file. Click on this register. It will open the Maltego website. Click on it. Go to web. See, here we have to register. We have to provide all the information, country, organization name. You give the student. Here also give the student. Okay, provide the name and all. Okay, then you will get the mail for the activation. Then you have to click on the link that you receive from the Maltego official website. Okay, now I have already registered, so click on login, click on accept, then click on next. Click on this copy or browse login, both are same. So copy this one, then go to browser, then paste that one. Then here provide the login that we have created or registered. Then click on don't save. See, browser login was successful. Click on next. Then click on next. If you want to send the error report, you have to click on this checkbox. Otherwise, uncheck it and click on next. If you want to select the default browser, you have to select from these list. I'm not going to select anything. Later, I can configure. Click on next. Privacy mode, going with the normal. Then click on next. See here, we have three options. Open a blank graph or open an example graph or go away. I have done this. Okay. I don't want to open any graph. Then click on finish. Maximize this one. See, this is the Maltego console. If you want to create a new graph, you have to click on this new graph. See, the left menu, see here, we have the entity palette. We have different palettes: cryptocurrency, devices, events, infrastructure, locations, malware, pen testing, personal, STIX, social network, and Wikimedia. Suppose if you want to find the domain information, click on the infrastructure, then scroll down. See here we have the domain. Drag this one to this graph, then select the entity. Here in property view, this is the domain name. I want to run transformation for this domain, or else if you want to run transformation for any your target domain, you have to give here and right click, then DNS. See, these are the all the transformations. Now click on this DNS, select the option whatever you like, whatever you want to check. Suppose I want to check name server, click on it. See, it is loading the transformation. See, we got two out. In the same way, if you want to get the go back domain owner details, then you have to click on to email address or entities from who is. Click on this one. See, it is running the transformation. See, you got the more information. So we will get the any information by using Maltego application. So in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure Maltego on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS version. For more ethical hacking, pen testing or cyber security videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.